We talk about how can you fix this problem on your Disney app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. In here you're looking for design app, or just click on search. Then here at Disney app, it's going to show for you like this. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. So then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here. So you go to your Play Store, click on it. Then here you search for Disney app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here a place, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.